take the first left. Turn left. In half a mile, turn right.
Blind for these niggas, I'm blind to yourself. I know the real you. I got these in the ones. The costume. You need to.
What's up, guys? So I'm gonna do y'all a POV real quick. I wish I had more hands earlier because I was driving in the mountains and stuff. The roads was way curvy and all. But man, I love this new Tahoe and all that. Even though I love my older Tahoe a little bit more, this one is actually pretty clean and stuff. You know, fairly simple. If we go into infotainment cluster and all that, we got our speed, of course. Let me see. All right, let's see. Trip one, we had recently just turned it on. So we got a timer on here, which is pretty cool and all that. We got the tire pressures, which is also cool. We got the driver assist, which is also cool. We got the oil life, which is also pretty cool. We got the brake pad life, which is pretty cool. Air filter life, which is pretty cool. Blank page and other information. And then I like that we got a compass over here. Got a mouse power, and then I got it in sport right now. It is in 2-wheel drive. It does have a 4-high. And I believe, what other modes do I have down here? Which I can see, these are the modes and all that you can switch. I really like the front end of this thing. It's actually pretty clean. Let me go 0.5. It's pretty clean, nice infotainment system and all that. Well, gauges, I said system and all, but it's pretty unique and all that. You can have the temperature low wherever you want to have it. Also got heated seats. You can heat your butt or your back, or you could just heat your back. I would use both of the features and all that. It was pretty cool. So it's a nice cool thing. They do got Apple CarPlay and all that. Also, it is a very comfortable ride. Leather seats feel good and all that. I don't think it's better than my old Tahoe, but they about similar and all that. You know, them older Tahoes and all that, the seats are really plushy and all. This one is comfortable, but this was like a little stiff. But y'all know how the old Tahoes, Yukons and all that have the nice plushy leather seats. Visibility is, you know, really great all around. Visibility is really great, and we got a great ride height also, which is also pretty cool. So I really like it. But I love this gauge though. This is a nice setup. I can be in front of this all day and all. So pretty cool. My other feature, which is really cool, is the camera. Oh man, I love this feature. I don't know why, but we're gonna get on the interstate and all that, and we're gonna see how she pull and all. We got it in sport mode, 2-wheel drive, like I said. So yeah, the mountain driving was so fun, like just coming down the mountains that they had to get where we needed to get to. it was really nice and all. It was really nice. Very beautiful scenery and everything. Y'all can see we got the Kia behind us. So when you stop at a light or any other stop, the car cranks off to save gas and all that, and then once I go, it cranks back up and all that, which is pretty cool feature, but odd to me and all that. Can you imagine your car cuts off because it's trying to save gas and then don't crank back up? Like, that's kind of scary and all. It's making me want to actually get a Tahoe. I either want get a new Tahoe, which I probably ain't worried about right now. Car we got, you know, cars and stuff. I don't think I need it stuff. Or a pickup truck, but I might be like work related stuff. So yeah, I don't know. All right, guys. So we are on the interstate right now, and I'm going to be cautious of other folks. So yeah. Anyway, this car actually pulls quick and all that. This is going to be a full throttle right here. Mind you guys, I am on the interstate and all that, so yeah. But anyway, cool feature there. I've been really cruising this thing, but if I need to get to the next point, it gets me there quick, nice and efficiently and all. I want to point out that they got the park here, the reverse there, neutral, and drive. Now, when I went to try to go for the stock or whatever, I forgot because my Tahoe, it has the stock on the side, where you could change it from park, reverse, neutral, and all that. But this one got buttons and stuff, so pretty interesting. I'm gonna take it off this camera. Any other, you got maps, you can get Google Maps on here also, but we're not going to be using that. What other things they got through here? I mean, Google Assist, Apple CarPlay, which I got. We got climate, we got trailer lights, my Chevrolet podcast, all that little good stuff, hotspot, all that little good stuff. I guess if you want to hook up a trailer, yeah, if you want to hook up a trailer light test, that's pretty cool right there. I like that. So if you want to haul, you know, a trailer or anything, that's pretty cool. Nice feature and all. Anyway, let me know y'all thoughts down below. Like I said, this thing been peaceful, and yeah, I mean, I bet you're like, dude, why you got your signal lights on? I had to get over. Right now, I'm following my wife. We're gonna take this back and all that. We did like a little road trip, so we needed more space. So my Mercedes, for one, is too small, and then my Tahoe, I don't got no seats in the back. My wife's car, also too small. Of course, you can only about fit like 4 people in there. It's a nice car though. Really good on gas and all that. And then the other kin folks and all that, I mean, they had a 4Runner and all, but they didn't have the back seats in the back, so we would have went with the 4Runner, but we needed something big, so this is nice, you know, for families or friends or anything. So it's comfortable. Everybody was really comfortable back here and all. This one got like 3 row seats, so yeah, it was pretty nice and comfortable. Right now we're on the interstate. This thing is nice. Now the cruise control is very easy. Like I said, we do have the lane assist thing. What else do we have? What is this feature here? Oh, gap adjust. So it just helps you not get too close to a car. What it adjusted. Oh shoot. My wife, she got this feature on her car. Anytime you put it on cruise control, say if I got it set at 75, and say if a car I'm approaching, it will decrease my speed for me to be a safe distance from the other car and all that, which could get annoying when I was driving her car and all that, because it's like a car could be all the way up there and it could just slow me down while I'm about a few feet from here and all. But I'm going to actually test this feature out right now as we speak. So I'm gonna use this arrow while I'm gonna click the cruise control, and I'm gonna cruise about at 77 and see how this go. It might be gapping me right now. Let me see something. Yeah, I think it's gapping me right now. Yeah, it's gapping me right now. Let me turn that off. Let me get close to a car. My wife up front, so I do this. All right, guys, so I just realized what this feature was, but like my wife's car, if I put it in cruise control, like the gap feature and all that, say if I shift over into the lane without a blinker or nothing, this car would actually keep me in the lane, and also keep me like a safe distance and all that. So pretty cool feature on here and all that. That's all I'm gonna say. Pretty cool feature on here. But I like it though. It's pretty cool. Anyway, guys, volume and all that is pretty loud. You can turn up the volume up and down on this left side of the wheel, and then you could change the station on the back side and all that. Which is pretty cool. And I was trying to see. I don't know. That's a pretty cool feature. I was trying to see if it had the lights. Anyway, I gotta catch up. So 60 miles. Let me see if I can crank on it just a little bit. Anyway, this thing got a lot of space. Nice cup holder space. Nice charging options. You got the UBC, UBS, and all that. Inside there, it's pretty big in there. Also got additional charges. This is the back. Overall, it's very spacious and all that, so it's real nice. But anyway, guys, it's gonna be pretty much it. Just wanted to give y'all a quick video and stuff. Just wanting to give my, quick review on it and all that. Like I said, it's a nice truck and all that. Just wanted to compare it, talk about it, because I got a Tahoe, like an older one. So like I said, it's a nice truck and all that. Pretty cool. Outside look great. Side profile look great. Back profile look great. So this car look great. So I know they got the RSTs. I know they got the Z71 packages, if I'm mistaken, like the off-road ones. And then I know they got like the base models and all that little good stuff and all that. So this thing actually come with a lot of good stuff. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of good stuff. So I like it. It's not bad or anything. So anyway, guys, it's gonna be pretty much it. I see y'all. Y'all let me know your thoughts down below. Peace.